High five. Too slow.
Honestly, bro, I should have knew better. Like, who cops a guard dog on Facebook Marketplace? Look at him. He's not guarding shit.
You want a treat? You want to go outside? You want some big booty bitches? Ah, just like your old man.
Tylko jedno w głowie mam, koksu 5 gram, odlecieć sam w krainę zapomnień.
Stop, you're scaring me. You're scaring me. I said no.
Please.
The door is open. You don't have to do this. It's open.
Stop!
Macaroni turns 1. Ow. Hello? No! No!
Ziggler makes it back to his feet. Is he going to deliver? Sweet. What? Oh shit.
You shouldn't up there. Oh my goodness. You're kidding me right now. If it hits by 6.
Oh, buddy. I know. I won't be long. You're gonna be fine. Mom's right here inside. I'll be back before dinner, promise. Love you too. Let go, big guy.
Kiss, kiss. No. Kiss, kiss. No, I don't want to kiss, kiss.
Simon, don't touch my phone. You're excited.
I love you. What are you doing?
What's that mean?
I am people. Watch my belly. I am Pibble. Watch my belly. Watch it now. Watch it or I'll attack you. Do it. Belly time. Woo! No! I'm Pibble. Watch my belly. Watch my belly. Watch my belly. Watch my belly. Watch my belly, please. Watch my belly. Watch my belly. Watch my belly. Uh-oh. Watch my belly. Ah!
Pibble, you're up. Get out, flash out.
Go, go, go!
Clear left.
Room clear.
Okay, guys. Now you gotta wash my belly.
Ha, copy that.
Right there. Yes. I am Pibble. Wash my belly.
You don't belong in there. You're overflowing the sink, buddy.
Your head is so small and your body is so big. I love you so much.
She ain't moving.
Okay, come on. There you go. Oh, boy.
Hi, Sam.
All right, people, I think it is time for a loaf check. Oh my goodness, we've got
meow.
Oh, es originally.
You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Ah! Nice! Nice!
Watch your head. Watch your head.
Do you know how a door works?
You think it's funny? You shattered my candle, dude. You just smashed it. Woof! Don't you woof me. Look at me when I'm talking to you. Oh.
Well. Who chewed the headset? Who chewed the headset?
Who was it? Hey, don't. Get your ass back inside.
Nala.
It is bedtime. Let's go.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July.
Look at me.
No, my dog hugs my leg too, but for a whole different reason.
My camera. I want to post this. Hi.
Don't look him in his eyes, they like that shit.
What was that? That was a hug, right?
You need a cigarette?
That was intense. Where'd you go, little guy? Oh!
Don't nobody else make me feel like
No broke boys, no new friends.
Don't nobody else make me feel like
No broke boys, no new friends.
Don't nobody else make me feel like
No broke boys, no new friends.
Don't nobody else make me feel like
Leo! Leo! No!
Duke, do you want the ball?
Hey,
Get the fuck out of here. Line up real fast. Yes, sir. Bang. Bang. Talking about spiffy. You know you bad. Damn.
Go, go.
The audacity to even let them get dragged across the face. Look at the joy. Look at the happiness. Barbarian. You fucking get those dog balls off your face.
Yeah, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof.
Oh my.
Stop, fight. Stop. Stop. No, no. You me, listen.
No! No.
No, you do not bite. No.
No, nothing. You're scaring me.
Massive. Where'd it go? Oh.
Puppy?
Sit. What a good boy.
I love you. I love you. I love you.
Best thing I've ever seen.
I want the other one to... What's your point now, booby? Oh.
I love you so much, Mila.
This my baby. And ain't nobody finna touch him. Can I get a oh yeah?
Mr. Bubs, do you love me too? No? Oh no. I think he loves me.
Yeah, I got you. I got this on camera.
You can have this back. No thank you. No thanks.
Okay, whatever. Go. Fucking go. You wanted to go out, now go. Yeah, I did. Oh.
Ready to go?
Hello, hello.
All right, yeah.
Oh boy. Whoa.
Hey, what's up?
Winter!
Midas. Hey. Holy shit.
Yeah.
I'm feeling so good today. Oh.
That's cool.
trying to do my schoolwork, bro. Get the fuck out of my way, bro.
Quit! Get away from me. We're not friends anymore.
Only time his bitch ass want to listen. Why the hell you look so damn happy?
Stop. Go. Go then. Look it. Oh my Nova.
You're one ugly little dog.
Drop it.
Wait.
Astro. I'm trying to stretch my back out. Move.
Did you literally pack your toy and yourself into this suitcase?
He did.
Bang, bang. Bang, bang.
Hey, get the fuck out of here. Yes, sir. Bang, bang. Talking about spiffy. You know you bad.
Sit. Gentle. Oh my god. I won't give it to you. Oh.
Excuse me, I had an appointment for today.
It's been a minute, but he back at it. Quando, you back at it, ain't you?
Mm-hmm. Meow. Meow. Papa.
Oh my gosh! Hi, cutie. What are you? Whoa! Good heavens! My house. Oh my word! What are you?
No!
Oh, careful, buddy.
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures.
是邪恶银渐层吗
Nice long body, perfect form, beautiful teeth. You're not gonna react? Oh.
Larry, don't move. It's just a tiny vaccine.
Tiny? That needle's longer than my whole neck. You're not a doctor, you're a sword fighter.
Oh my.
Oh, no, he didn't.
I can't. I'm losing it
My
all.
clipboard.
Okay.
No needle! Don't do it, please! No poking!
It's just a tiny shot, buddy. It'll be over in a second.
I said no! Bad idea! Leave Wing alone!
I know you're nervous. I promise it'll help you feel better.
Feel better later! Not now!
We'll be quick, all right? Deep breath.
Larry, open your mouth. I'm checking your temperature.
Open my mouth? Doc, last time you stuck that thing in my beak, I couldn't talk for 2 hours. Are you testing me or silencing me?
Oh my gosh. Larry. Oh, that's too good.
Larry the parrot, you made this mess again.
It's called creative decoration, not a mess. I was testing gravity with popcorns. Don't clean art, woman.
Oh, Larry, you're impossible.
Larry, lie down, please. I need to check your heartbeat.
Lie down, Doc. Last time I did that, you stole my feathers for your pillow.
Oh my gosh, I did not.
Larry.
That's priceless.
All right, comedian, can we try again without the accusations?
Maybe.
For what the fuck are you laughing at me?
What do you want to say to the viewers?
I f***ing love you guys. I love you guys. If you love me back, if you damn love me back, comment on the video. And please subscribe to my channel.
Good job, buddy.
You have done very bad things. You hole, you mother.
How dare you do this?
Hole.
I can't believe you. You think you can treat me like this? I am furious. Give me respect now. You
Stop it.
Never.
Calm down.
Hear me? Order McDonald's fries for me. I'm hungry.
No, you can't eat that. Your behavior is too bad.
I want flippin' McDonald's fries. I don't give a flip about you. Just give me McDonald's fries.
You're ridiculous.
Fries now.
Not happening, buddy.
Yeah, babe, of course. I miss you too. I love you so much.
Love you so much? You tell that to every girl. You talk to a different girl every day. How many girls are you talking to?
What? Hey, shut up. Why are you saying this?
Liar! Liar!
Chill. Come on, calm down. Not now, okay?
No!
Stop.
Squat!
Please, please. Shh. It's not what you think.
Like act like he.
Oh my gosh. Hi, cutie. What are you doing here? Whoa! Good heavens! My house...
Hey Scotty, why did the cat sit on the computer? To keep track of the mouse?
I'm sorry.
Come on, you two. Let's dance. Spin with me, good boy. Nice twirl, Luna. Woo, you got it. Best dance partners ever.
Oh.
Oh.
Kahvelerimi kardeşimin üstüne dökerim.
Senna, put the cat down! Senna, put her down! It's not funny!
Oh shit. Fucking go. You wanted to go out, now go. Yeah, I did. Come on!
No drinking. No drinking. No drinking.
Bust a move. Bust a move. Bust a move.
Oh my god, you know what? This is really scary. Oogly boogly, bitch!
That is hilarious.
I said I was gonna tell on y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all dad. Stop barking at me.
Kaiser. What are you doing?
Hi, buddy. Are you lost?
Well, look at you babies out here. You lost? Yeah, that's right. Go back to your mama.
Oh, wait. What happened to you? Oh my god! Max, what did you do? Look at this mess! What? What?
Oh my god. What are you doing?
Let's see a handstand. Damn straight!
No. Well, I'm gonna do it anyway.
You have a smooth brain. No ridges or lumps or valleys or bumps.
Babe.
No, bitch! No, you're not gonna call me no bitch, so I'm not none of these other.
Fly with me, let's float down to
Well, I've been waiting for this. Oh boy, I've been.
You look like a potato.
What?
Officer, how you doing? Sir. Good to see you. Sir, how you doing? Sir, Mary, how you doing? Good to see you.
Stop. Okay.
Not allowed on the bed, you. No!
All right, can you say your name? Luna. That was perfect.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Okay, can you say hello? Good boy. Can you say how are you?
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Hello. Say, I'm beautiful. Can you sit down and listen?
No.
No?
Really? Are you sad?
No.
I love you.
Say good morning.
Say, I need you to tell him, say, I need you to put the cat down. Please. Ask him nicely.
He took your sucker? How do you know he took your sucker?
Huh? Stay out.
Alright, come inside, buddy. Alright, buddy, wait until I say go, okay?
Hey. What you doing? Oh, thank you.
What?
But sabo.
Bop it, twist it, pull it.
Rocco, go lay down.
There's a power button. What?
Stop! Stop!
Oh my god!
We don't bark this early. Now.
Hey, Bruno, you don't see the problem with that?
I think I failed.
Doesn't look like it's on all the way. Oh my god, no! Jetta, out. Out!
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Sit. Cheese. Good morning, Maggie. Oh my goodness. What are you doing? You're very cute. Yeah. Big smile, Holly. Oh, good girl.
Nigga, daqui محيرة nigga smile.
I see you smiling, girl. Are you smiling?
Only time his bitch ass wanna listen. Why the hell you look so damn happy? This what you want? Huh? Here.
Cheese. Come on. Cheese.
You gotta be quicker than that. You gotta be quicker than that. All right, babe. All right, all you. All right, for real this time. Here. All right, one more. Quicker than that. One more time. One more time. Quicker than that. One more time. Oh, that one was good, Joe. Uh-oh. Okay. All right, for real this time. Okay, I'll stop playing games. Here you go. Good catch.
Cut it, look. I think I failed.
Doesn't look like it's on all the way.
Your mom looks like a dog.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Give me a kiss. That was a fake kiss.
Yeah, I love you.
Hi, what's this?
I need to tell you something, but you gotta come here so I can whisper it to you. You look like a potato.
Really? Are you sad? No.
What did you bring in from outside, huh? Is it a stick? Yes, it is a stick. Yes, it is.
Luna, can I get an I love you?
Say, I need you to put the cat down. Please. Ask him nicely.
You want to go for a ride? Or how about let's go take a bath?